Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at a crochet pattern called Angled. This pattern is composed of a foundation chain, row 1 and row 2. It is made of single crochet in 3 chain stitches. If you'd like to learn more about this pattern, keep on watching. Today I'm going to be using a 4-weight yarn with a crochet hook 4 millimeters. The foundation chain should be done in multiple of 3s. So I'm going to do a foundation chain of 18 stitches. First off, we do a slip knot. And then we chain 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. For row 1, I'm going to be using the back bump. In the second back bump from hook, 1, 2, we're going to be doing a single crochet into the back bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Next, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do a single crochet into the next back bump. Into the back bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both to do the single crochet. We're going to skip a back bump, and in the next back bump we're going to do a single crochet followed by 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. In the next back bump, we're going to do a single crochet. We're going to skip this back bump, do a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet into the next back bump. The pattern is skip, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, and then you start another pattern, skip, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. So let's continue till the end. Skip, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next back bump, and then you skip a back bump. Row 1 completed. This is how it looks like. Now let's do row 2. Chain 1, turn, and in this row we're only going to be working into the chain 3 space. We do a single crochet followed by 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the same chain 3 space. The next chain 3 space, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the same chain 3 space, and then you hop to the next chain 3 space, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the same chain 3 space, and you hop to the next chain 3 space and single crochet, and you continue like this till the end. Once you've reached the end of row 2, this is how it looks like. So what's nice about this is you repeat row 2 for as long as you need to. Let me just show you. So you chain 1, turn, single crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the same chain 3 space, and then you continue. Single crochet, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, go to the next chain 3 space, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, change to the next 3 space and continue till the end. So this type of pattern is very good for cardigans and skirts. And this is my little sample, and look how this looks nice after a few rows. I really like this. It's very pretty. This is how we make the angled crochet pattern. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I hope they enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.